I spent so much time editing the first more than half of this video of me making Indian food for dinner, and I did all of it by myself until the last minute whenever Keaton joined in to well, he just kind of came up there, I guess, to see how I was doing, but he ended up helping just a tiny bit with the meat, and I think that was about it. Man, I had a video of me making the dogs food and giving the dog dinner, and then them eating out of their puzzles and stuff, and it was so cute, and they're so good, and then just everything that I had done up to this point. So I believe I had chopped, I chopped onions really, really fine to make a roux, cooked that in some olive oil until they were brown. Once the onions were browned, I added garlic and a lot of ginger, cooked that up for a couple of minutes, added crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, some coconut cream, cooked all of that. I added more chunks of onion, bigger bites, bell pepper, Brussels sprouts, wow, going through it now, it's a lot harder to remember, especially since the video. I edited it in a few separate parts, got them all together. I saved it. I triple checked to make sure that it was saved on my phone. Deleted the original files so that I would have enough room on my phone to save the next edit. And then whenever I went to start on that next edit, it said that that file was unavailable. So I was really disappointed about it. I had to get over it. Obviously, there's nothing I can do about it now. So I just figured I'd finish editing the rest of the video that I have and then put that up there. I think that's it. I don't know. I did so much. I cooked the rice, and so whenever you start with the rice, it was extra long grain basmati rice, and you rinse it for a long time to get out all the arsenic and stuff that's in the rice. And so I rinsed that out a few times, let it soak for a while, ran some cold water through it until the water ran mostly clear, cooked the rice in a 2-to-1 ratio, water to rice, and then I think everything else you see, I think everything else is in there. I don't know. So enjoy this short video of me listening to the wall and cooking. I think the meal itself probably took 45 minutes to an hour. If Keaton had been in there helping me the whole time, it would have been so much faster because he can chop so fast and knows the order of everything. But Tikka Masala, or this fusion version, is kind of one of my favorite meals to make. So yeah, just enjoy.
Hey you, out there in the cold. Hey you, standing in the alley. Hey you, don't help them to bury. Hey you, out there on your own. Hey you, with your ear against the wall, waiting for someone to call. Hey you, would you help me to carry the stone? Open your heart. He tried, he could not break free. And the worms ate into his brain. Hey you, out there on the road. Hey you, out there beyond the wall, reaching bubbles in the hole. Can you help me? Is there anybody out there? Anybody out there? Is there anybody out there?
just like two balloons. Good, I think.
He said yeah.
Wasn't going away.
Right.
I guess because I made it in that can, I made twice as much as it calls for. So I think it was just too much and it's only two. Calls for 1 cup, I made 2. Yay!
Just a little more water in there so it's a little on the outside.
Well, I added a little bit of baking soda, but I wasn't sure how much. More than that. I couldn't get this burner to turn on. I couldn't get it, I couldn't get it smaller. Feel the warmth, thrill of culture, that space that glow. Some bad news, baby, sunshine. Queers in the theater tonight. Jam up against the wall. Look at the spotlight, he don't look right to me. Jam up against the wall. That one's Jewish, that one's cool. There's one smoking a joint and another with spots. Woo! That was fun. This is what I got. It's gonna be delicious and probably spicy. Yeah. Thanks for joining me. Wanted to jump back in and say I didn't make too much of a mess in the kitchen. I mean, I did, but I actually cleaned as I went. I'm gonna rinse this plate. But I'm not usually the kind of person that does the dishes while I cook because I'm not capable of focusing on both of those things at once. That's how, you know, I overcook stuff and then undercook stuff and then drop and break dishes. So, still a clean kitchen. I like it. How is it?
Very good, honey.
Is it? Because I actually only tasted it one time. Added a bunch of the coconut cream, and then that was that.
I didn't add enough rice, but there's a lot of good flavor here.
Okay, well, I can get you more rice if you'd like.
Spinach, tomato, it all sets off. You did a very good job. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you. Is this Top Gear?
Would you like to watch the Grand Tour Looking Kitten?
Hell yeah. Right, I shall join you.
Anyway, let's see now how quickly Abby got it round the Ebola drone, shall we?